Good morning, students. Today we are going to keep revision from the first lesson. The first lesson name is crop protection and management. Crop means same variety of plant cultivated in a large area is called as a crop. For example, wheat or some other things we can see, and in India we are following two type of crops have been given. They are kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crops means is just nothing. Crops which are grown in a rainy season are called as kharif crop. This actually grown in India from June to September month. For example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, and cotton. These types of crops are called kharif crops. Next one is rabi crops. These are actually grown in winter season during October to March, and example of these crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard, and linseed. And see, while for giving the basic practices for crop protection, we have to maintain this following steps. What are they? First one, preparation of soil. Second, sowing. Third, adding manure and fertilizers. Fourth one, irrigation. Fifth, protecting from weeds. Sixth, harvesting. Seventh, storage. Now we are going to see elaborately about preparation of soil. See, this is the first step before you're cropping a crop, and it is the most important task also. Just nothing, we have to loosen the soil before implementing the seeds. Why does the loosening of soil allow the roots to breathe easily means actually the loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. So after that, if you are implementing the seeds to grow, it will be very nice for the protection of the crops. And in the previous classes also, you know that soil actually contains minerals, water, air, and some living organisms. In addition, dead plants and animals also decomposed by the soil organism. And see, next we are going to see about what is meant by tilling or ploughing in preparation of soil. In preparation of soil, tilling or ploughing means is just nothing. Process of loosening and turning of soil is called as a tilling or ploughing. This is actually happens in the preparation of a soil. During those days they used tractor, and see these type of methods they used during those days. Plough, hoe, these are a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. These type of tools have been used on those days. See the picture, you also come across in the crop field. This machine is called as a hoe. It's actually pulled by the animals. And nowadays cultivator are using, see, this type of tractor only have been used by nowadays cultivators. Next, first method is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is just nothing, loosening the soil. The next one is sowing. Sowing is just nothing, it is also an important part. Before sowing, you should know the good quality, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety selected, and farmers usually prefer to use seeds which give high yield. See, selection of seeds. Sowing is implementing the seeds using the machines is called as a sowing. And nowadays we are using machines, while traditional tool is this one only. This is one is a traditional method of sowing. See, using a bullocks or cows they are using, and using implementing the seeds. This is nowadays using one seed drill machine. So because of this we can maintain the distance of the seeds and it grows properly. Today we come to know that today we had a revision about crop protection and management, and we saw only two steps and the remaining steps will be seen in the next class. And related to this you will get the test. Hereafter we are going to conduct the test and it will be sent as a link. You have to click that link, enter your name and class. Afterwards you have to attend the 1 mark and 2 mark type questions and scores will be awarded for you. Just do it on the same day and send it in the 8th science NABS group, timing from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you students.